Hello Amber babies, today we are in Jin Amber kitchen and I've been posting on my Instagram how I make a bone broth, which is like serves like a collagen, is great for the skin, heal the gut, you know guys. I don't know if you know, but I'm just telling you, if you have serious skin issues like rosacea, dermatitis, psoriasis, eczema, something like that going on, like acne, you need to start addressing your gut, because if you've been trying like a lot of things, nothing works for your skin. Take a look, kind of pay attention to your gut. Maybe you're not digesting something well, maybe you're not pooping 3 times a day, which you should. Maybe you have a belly aches or stuff like this. So my favorite way to heal gut, it is bone broth. I have here whole chicken. That chicken comes with the organs and stuff like this. I know you're gonna say, oh, that's gross and everything. I'm just saying what works. I have done a lot of research. I have had serious health issues, and that really heals your gut and actually makes your skin beautiful, glowy, and hydrated and everything. I myself have rosacea, and that actually helps a lot. The process is not that difficult, but takes a long time. So first thing what we need a pot, a big pot that the whole chicken will fit. Now it's up to you. You can cut it, you can put whole or stuff like this. I like to put whole chicken, boil it for 1 hour without anything, not adding anything, on super low heat, and then I will show you what I do. So let's get started. I am so excited. So first step will be to fill in like a little bit more than half of the hot water. You can do actually distilled water, you can do filtered water. I do tap water. I know I shouldn't, but I just do because I'm too lazy. So what I do, I actually cut the chicken like that, and then I take out the chicken, and here in the back of the chicken you will find all the organs. We're gonna add those organs later. I'm gonna keep that organs a piece over here and take out the chicken, and just I put like that in the pot, the whole. I have too much water. Oh no, it's fine. Yeah, so that's my chicken. Okay, so then I set the chicken like this. I'm leaving whole chicken in there, on the low heat, max 1 or 2, no more, and I keep for 1 hour. So what I'm doing right now, I'm adding broccoli, I'm adding ginger, I'm adding garlic. You basically can add wherever you have in your fridge. Thyme. This is sweet potato. I'm adding also some black peppers. I like peppers like this on the side. And then I'm adding salt. And then I let sit for another hour like this. And right before finishing, I will do for another, like, I don't know, 15 minutes. Oh my god, this is a lot of water. I'm adding this is the liver, this is the more liver, and this is the stomach, and this is stomach. Where is heart? This chicken had no heart. So like 10 more minutes with this, and right at the end gonna add that, and it's gonna be done. That's it. Okay, my loves, this is the last part. I am basically turning off right now, and I'm gonna let it sit like that for another 10-20 minutes. Why is this so important to cook for such a long time, 2.5-3 hours? Because all the nutrients, all the beautiful vitamins, minerals are in the bones, and when you cook on a slow heat for a few hours, it releases all the beautiful nutrients. So basically, and that's it. And you can have this actually next day even taste better. So that's it, guys. Okay, I'm eating my soup. Oh my god. Guys, so delicious. You have no idea. Full of collagen. I don't cook, but I make this soup excellent. Should I open like sort of like collagen soup restaurant? Check this out. Yes. Oh, the beautiful things. I wish you could taste it. Oh my god. Look at this. Nope, that's just for me.